Hi grade 6s. So today we're going to be looking at the Council of 500 and we're going to be learning a little bit about them. Please make sure you're following along with your notes. Like always, write the bold words in the blanks. Make sure you're spelling it correctly and you have the proper word. So, the Council of 500 was the full-time government of Athens. The term for the council was 1 year. After this, a new council would be selected. The citizens of Athens were divided into 10 tribes and 50 councillors from each tribe over the age of 30 were in charge of the council for 1/10 of the year. Membership to the Council of 500 was made 2 democratic ways. Council positions were chosen through a lottery to give everyone in the tribe an equal chance of being picked. The leader of the council had his position for only 24 hours. This gave more than half the council members a chance to be leader during their year of service. The leader was chosen through lottery. The council also planned the agenda for assembly meetings and supervised the running of government. The council would discuss and present decisions for the approval of the assembly. No laws could be made without the approval of the majority of the assembly. Thinking it through. So why do you think membership in the council was limited to citizens 30 years old? And how would limiting the amount of time a citizen could serve on council help protect the idea of democracy? Again, make sure you are putting in your full effort and using many different reasons to support your idea.